Today we're going to make a special salad using the leaves from vegetables like broccoli, turnip, Brussels sprouts, green peas and beetroot. It's all tasty vegetables, and why let anything go to waste? We have them all here at the farm, so we'll make a salad of it today. So we start here with the green peas. You can eat the flowers and the leaves. Here we have a turnip. You can eat the leaves here as well, not only the root. It's one of the few vegetables here that is harvesting ready now in early July. Our climate, that is. Maybe you didn't know that beetroot also has quite tasty leaves. You can eat the whole thing. It have a slightly earthy taste and makes a good color in the salad. Here we have a Swiss chard. Also a good and early vegetable. Broccoli leaves is also quite good. They taste like a mild cabbage. And here we have Brussels sprouts leaves. They are a little bit stronger on the cabbage taste, so not too many of those. So on our way we passed all these clovers, and they are also tasty in a salad, so we put in a bit of those as well. They are sweet and with a taste of honey. The strawberries are also delicious at this time of year, so we put in some of those. They are extremely sweet this far north. So here Søren is picking onion grass. That's lovely in a salad, and in this field we are actually growing for seeds. So all the grass that is not having a flower we can eat. So that's great. You can eat the flowers as well, but for us now they are going to be seeds, so we will keep them. So now we have a nice assembly of vegetable leaves, and it's time to cut it up to salads. It's a bit light for the camera, so sorry about that. So I'm just speeding up a bit here. Just a cutting process. For the dressing we use rosemary. Cut it down in small pieces. And then you will need some food oil, whatever you have. We use olive oil. Take a good dash of that. It's quite beautiful, isn't it? All these colors in the sun. Looking tasty. Next you will need some kind of vinaigrette. Again, whatever you have or make yourself. And then comes quite an important ingredient which we make ourselves from our own bees, off-grid style, our beloved honey. Give it a nice good stir. So now it's time to ring the food bell. So what do you think about the salad?
It's a very lovely salad.
It was
Very fresh.
Yeah, it was very delicious, very light, very bright, very summer.
Lots of colors.
Yes.
Yes.
The strawberry is good. This mix.
Thank
you for watching.
Stay safe out there in YouTube land.
Bye.